Beep. Hello and welcome to my channel. Creating sound effects from items that you might have lying around the house or in your garden. Please have a listen to how you might create some of these sound effects. Thanks for watching. Adding in some of the sounds that have been processed in Audacity, so like amplified up, so you can hear them a bit better. Can you press record on that?
Switched on.
Yeah, switch it on. The record button. Top. Done it. Has it got me in it?